This kind of view ba ang hanap mo when you're looking for a hotel in Sapa? Tara at mag-hotel and room tour tayo. So let's do a quick room tour of our hotel. Dito pala kami nag-check-in sa Phuong Nam Hotel. Pagpasok mo, to your right is the bathroom. May complete amenities na towel, shower, hot and cold. Tapos mayroon na rin silang shampoo and conditioner. And of course, bidet. Yun ang number 1 sa lahat pagdating sa bathroom. Ito naman yung aming bed. Queen size bed. Tapos meron siyang malaking window. Actually, may balcony to, pero shared balcony siya. I'll show you later. So, ayan yung window namin. And then, meron din silang cabinet. Meron din silang pa-electric fan. And aside from electric fan, meron din silang AC. Napakasimpleng hotel. Ayan yung aming vanity. Tapos, meron din silang pa hair dryer, lampshade. Tapos, meron ding mini fridge, water and sodas. Cabinet. Cheers, may coffee setup. And of course, TV and free Wi-Fi. From the main door, katapat din niya yung door. And we will have a shared balcony overlooking of the mountains. Kaso wala tayong makitang mountain kasi medyo foggy siya ngayon. At kanina umaambon. Ito naman ang kanilang main lobby. Pag-akyat ng staircase ay ang kanilang reception desk and common area to the left and the elevator. Ito yung papunta sa kanilang roof deck. So let's see. Kasi meron silang pa-jacuzzi. Ito yung roof deck na extension. So pwede kang magtambay dito. Eto siguro may nag-jacuzzi kasi may laman. Tsaka mukhang malinis. Halos dito makikita nyo, dikit-dikit sila. Azure Hotel. Nadaanan namin kanina yan, Azure Hotel. Tapos eto yung mountain view. So, libot muna tayo dito sa loob ng hotel. So, I can show you kung ano pa ang pwede ninyong gawin. Or, meron silang, may pa-massage chair dito. Dito pwede kayong mag-picture if you want. Kasi may magandang view na mountains of Sapa. Ang ganda rin ng ng style niya. Parang feeling mo nasa castle ka. Here's the hotel front view at night. Morning! O bababa kami sa restaurant nila at mag-breakfast muna tayo to start our day. Buffet breakfast is included depending on your room type. Today's breakfast, pumpkin soup, meron ding fried rice, fried noodles, sausage, pancakes, sticky rice, bread station, cold cuts, fruits, at marami pang iba. And my favorite part, pho station. Aside from the pho that is prepared in front of you, meron din egg and pancake station. Thank you! We booked our hotel via Klook, and for me, the price is really worth it. The location, food, the room, and also the staff. Yun lang. Follow for more. Agyaman na!